Nissan Motor Co's premium Infiniti brand will completely involve energized vehicles after 2021, Nissan CEO Hiroto Saikawa said. All new Infiniti models propelled after 2021 will either be all-electric vehicles or will depend on the parent organization's new range-expanding electric engine-fueled innovation called ePower, Saikawa told a group of people at the Automotive News World Congress on Tuesday evening. ePower is an abnormal sort of jolted vehicle framework. It isn't a modular innovation. What's more, dissimilar to Toyota's Prius, it utilizes its fuel engine to energize the battery, however not for drive. The arrangement Saikawa sketched out speaks to a quick catch-up for Infiniti. Its worldwide extravagance showcase contenders, including Audi, BMW, Mercedes, Volvo and Jaguar as of now have uncovered also forcefully jolt designs. Saikawa anticipated that half of Infiniti's deals by 2025 will be EVs or ePower vehicles. The brand sold 153,415 vehicles in 2017, an expansion of 11%. Infiniti was one of the primary extravagance brands to propose an EV. In 2012, the organization divulged the Infiniti idea at the New York Automobile Expo, a model that would have been a redesigned variety of the Nissan Leaf. In any case, that arrangement was dropped as Infiniti rethought its worldwide item portfolio. Saikawa said that the jolt methodology most likely will have one exemption, the organization's full estimate body on outline QX80 SUV. The declaration comes around the same time that Infiniti displayed its most recent outline idea at the Detroit Automobile Expo, the Q Motivation. That idea recommends the look of the following Infiniti Q70, due in 2019 or 2020. In any case, the Q Inspiration was portrayed as running on Infiniti's progressed new 4-chamber variable pressure motor, the VC Turbo. Infiniti officials stressed Monday that the VC turbo motor is imagined as an extension innovation to Jolt, which they said was in progress. Saikawa did not deliver what will happen to the new VC turbo after 2021, when every new vehicle will be energized. One organization source said it is conceivable that the 4-barrel VC turbo may control the enormous QX80 after that time. The QX80 at present is controlled by a 5.6-liter V8. An organization representative declined to remark on feasible arrangements for the QX80. Nissan presented ePower in Japan in late 2016 as an auction-powered Rain in its Note, a hatchback rendition of the subcompact Versa. The innovation utilizes a battery-controlled electric engine to drive the auto's wheels, and a gas motor to charge the battery.